Happy Valentine's Day. Rico the Wedding Singer here. I'm going to teach you how to crack your ankle. First of all, just lift your leg up, bent. Hold your foot up like this and have your thumb on the side, like so. Pull your foot up until your heel reaches your buttocks, your butt. And then once you feel comfortable, quickly just pull, like so. Please consult your doctor, physician, or chiropractor. Again, I'm just a wedding singer. Peace out.